She was having a nice time on her bike until a loud noise changed her life forever. An extraordinary woman named Tuda of Dili is 40 years old and is from Walthamstow in East London. She went through very difficult times, but fortunately, she managed to come out of them with flying colors. Here is her story. It was a day like any other. The morning looked very calm, the sun was shining, and there was a very welcoming breeze. Toda decided to wake up her children Helen and Daniel to get them ready for school. Overall, everything was completely normal. When she dropped the children off at school, she felt a lot of joy and pride as she saw how this new stage in their lives was beginning. Although she'd no longer have them at home with her all day, she felt a sense of relief knowing that they would now be learning new things, such as the value of study and responsibility at school. She returned home and decided to go for a ride on her bike. She wanted to head to church in North London. When she got to the traffic light, she stopped and waited for the light to change, but suddenly felt a strong breeze coming towards her from her right side. A truck hit her and knocked her unconscious. Toda couldn't believe what was happening. Her mind was foggy. Only the screams of people around her could be heard. Her heart was pounding and there was blood in her body. The pain invaded Toda's body, specifically in her legs, due to the strong impact she received. The only thing that was going through her mind was the fact that she died in such a tragic way, without being able to say goodbye to her loved ones. Toda was in complete agony to feel how the 12 truck's wheels were running over her leg once it hit her. Toda was wondering why the driver couldn't hear her screaming. It felt as if the world was trying to get rid of her, but she still could not get it. Sometimes life tends to take its toll on you for the bad things you've done in different ways, but she knew that up until now she'd always been a good person. Was it a mistake on the part of life and karma? She remembered the people who were around to help her. A policeman called for an ambulance. Then he tried to find something in her bag which flew in the air to communicate with her husband and keep him updated on what was happening. Toda suddenly started to ask God to help her. She now didn't care about losing her legs after the hard impact from the truck. All she could think about was the beautiful things in life that she hadn't enjoyed, the joy of her children and the people who really loved her. The ambulance arrived quickly at the scene of Toda's accident. Unfortunately, her bicycle was completely destroyed. As she was being loaded into the ambulance, the driver of the truck went over to look at her and automatically turned away in embarrassment. They were both dumbfounded. In the ambulance, paramedics were doing their best to keep Toda stable. She knew something was wrong with her leg as she couldn't feel it, and all that was coming out from it was blood. It was really a difficult time for her. When Toda arrived at the hospital, a doctor attended to her and told her that her leg had very serious injuries, and that he didn't give her much hope of walking again. She cried a lot when she found out. Then the fear invaded her mind again when she asked the doctor if her leg should be removed or not. The doctor still didn't know what to tell Toda. She told him to do what he thought best. She just wanted to stay alive to enjoy her children and the love of her life. Her leg didn't matter that much for her now, only staying alive to say I love you to her loved ones again. Toda's husband arrived and she noticed that his face was pale. He told her he loved her. He made her clear that he will always be for her no matter what. Then her children were arrived as well. She didn't feel prepared to see them in the state she was in. Her children told her that they loved her very much and that she couldn't die yet because they still had so many adventures to live. The doctors did everything possible to save Toda's leg. It took many operations to achieve the miracle that was accomplished. Doctors kept her under observation for a long time, but in the end the wait was worth it. Toda's husband was always very kind while taking care of her and their children. She was recovering slowly, but throughout time she was building up her strength again. Toda finally managed to get on her feet again in April. She was overjoyed to be able to go into her children's room by herself and hug them, kiss them goodnight. They were very happy to be able to enjoy their mother's care again. Toda realized that she'd taken life for granted. That's why she decided to write a book that broadcast what happened to her before and after the accident. She felt that this would be a good thing to share with the people who suffer this kind of pain. The driver was fined heavily. She wanted to tell him that everything was okay, but she could only find him after a year. Sometimes life tests you to make you a better person, to make you stronger and more appreciative of life and those who truly love you.